This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn how to sum cells based on one criteria using SumIF function in Excel. Microsoft Excel has a handful of functions to summarize large data sets for reports and analysis. One of the most useful functions that can help you make a sense of an incomprehensible set of diverse data is SumIF. Instead of adding up all numbers in a range, it lets you sum only those values that meet your criteria. To sum values in the range B2 to B5 that are less than or equal to 60, I use SumIF B2 to B5 less than or equal 60. I want to sum cells that are less than or equal to mean or average of the range. The AND operator joins the less than or equal to symbol and the value in cell F2. Also, to calculate sum of whole cells of the range, I turn F2 to maximum number of the range. The maximum number of the range is 90, and the SumIF function adds up all numbers of the range. You can use the SumIF function in Excel to sum cells based on text strings that meet a specific criteria. Always enclose text in double quotation marks. An asterisk matches a series of 0 or more characters if the corresponding cells in the range A2 to A15 contain a series of 0 or more characters plus V. Also, you can use asterisk after the character to participate text that start with the criteria. For example, I use A asterisk to add up all cells that start with A. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.